I'm in River North, on a balcony at the Hudson, panning around from a nearby CTA stop over the Old Town neighborhood to a view of the Groupon and TD Ameritrade offices, which are just over a block away. Stepping inside from that balcony, you're in a high-ceiling, open-plan living dining kitchen area. And you're in a Sweet Home Chicago unit, so you have a bowl of fruit to welcome you, and large windows looking out on that great view to the north. There's a tiered ceiling here as you approach the kitchen. Kitchens at the Hudson have about the highest quality finishes you're going to find in any rental apartment in downtown Chicago. It's a full-size, front-loading, stackable washer-dryer. Slab granite counters, the waterfall effect. Deep stainless steel undermount sink. Great cabinetry, cabinet front appliances. Bosch refrigerator, 5-burner Bosch gas range, cabinet front dishwasher. And again, Sweet Home Chicago, you have all of the kitchenware, small appliances, cooking utensils, everything you're going to want to feel right at home the second you move in, including some liquids to get you hydrated from your trip. The bath opens off the kitchen as a tandem entrance to the bedroom. There's a wide mirror with a medicine chest behind it. Deep soaking tub. Body spray attachment with a rain shower head. And then a closet that's kitted out with additional linens and bedding. The bedroom looks out over the balcony to the north. Set up with a king-size bed here. Chest of drawers, a second flat panel TV. It's a very comfortable apartment. You're close to the best of River North here and to the Gold Coast. Also River West and not far from the West Loop. Plenty of dining, nightlife options, River North Gallery District, Erie Park and the river not far away. The Hudson has 24/7 door staff and an Amazon hub for package delivery. There's a sprawling landscape sun deck with grilling areas, a fire pit with a view of the Groupon offices, and plenty of seating around a pool with private cabanas. A bright, spacious fitness center has a large variety of cardio and strength training equipment and a separate yoga studio. There are additional grills adjacent to a large dining room that opens to a media and gaming room, which opens in turn to a spacious room with comfortable seating for small gatherings. There's a conference room adjacent to a nicely equipped business center. The Hudson is pet-friendly and has a rambling outdoor dog run. Follow the paw prints in the garage, past the electric car charging stations, to an indoor dog run. The Hudson also has an on-site Starbucks. Sweet Home Chicago's offerings at the Hudson are a sweet deal.